Our Teami MIXit makes living a healthy lifestyle so much easier. Make healthy smoothies on the go with our portable smoothie blender. You can make a healthy smoothie in your car, at your desk, anywhere you want in just 30 seconds. Here you can add all your fruits and vegetables, your powders, your milks, your nut butters, everything that you need in our glass body, not plastic, glass. It comes with 6 strong, durable blades that help blend your smoothie so that you have no particles left over, and it can even blend ice. It detaches from the main body so that it's easy for cleaning. You can clean this part, which detaches from the electricity. You can conveniently charge your Teami MIXit right here with a USB, and it holds charge for 4 to 5 hours. I love this push button opening right here. It's a very sleek design. It looks great. You can take it to the gym. You can make your smoothie at your desk, which is awesome because if I make my smoothie at home and I take it to work, it's all separated by the time I get to work. So when you have it here, you can always just add your ingredients and turn it on exactly when you want to drink your smoothie. If you're a career professional, if you're a mom, if you're going to the gym a lot, you're gonna need something that's easy and convenient to keep you healthy on the go. So I love using this MIXit. It makes my life way, way easier. Plus, I love that it's glass and it's durable. It's just a really great product. And I can't wait for you guys to enjoy it at home.